Hey friends. Okay, so this is a little embarrassing, but I feel like someone out there needs to hear this. For the longest time, I was hiding my feet. Like literally no sandals, no going barefoot, not even around close friends or family, because I had toenail fungus. Yeah, I know, not the cutest topic, but it's more common than people admit. And honestly, it really messed with my confidence. My nails looked awful, they smelled weird, and the itching, ugh, it was driving me crazy. I tried everything: creams, sprays, home remedies I found on the internet, even those super pricey prescription treatments. And every time I thought it was gone, it would come back, stronger, more stubborn. I felt totally defeated. Then one day I came across something called ProNail Complex. It wasn't a pill or a cream, it's actually this mist spray made from natural oils and vitamins that you apply after you shower, which I thought was kind of interesting. The idea is that your skin absorbs it better when it's clean and warm. I'll be honest, I didn't expect much, but at that point I figured, why not? It had good reviews and a money back guarantee, so I gave it a shot. The first week or two, not a lot happened. I almost gave up, but I stuck with it just once a day after my shower, spray, and done. Super easy. Then around week 4 or 5, I noticed the itching was gone, like totally gone. The smell too. My feet actually felt normal again, and then I saw something that made me a weirdly emotional, new, healthy nail starting to grow for the first time in years. I think what makes ProNail Complex different is that it doesn't just go after the fungus, it also helps your skin and nails repair themselves. It has stuff like tea tree oil, vitamin E, lavender, jojoba, and all natural ingredients that actually do something. It's made here in the US in a certified facility, which gave me some peace of mind too. Now it's been about 3 months since I started. My nails look healthy again. I wore sandals last weekend without even thinking about it, and let me tell you, that was huge for me. My confidence is back, and I don't feel gross about my feet anymore. That's such a win. So yeah, if you've been dealing with toenail fungus and nothing seems to work, ProNail Complex might be worth a try. No pressure, obviously, but I'll drop the link to the official site below in the description just in case. Heads up, there are some fakes floating around on other sites, so make sure you get it from the real one. All right, thanks for listening to my little foot story. Hope this helps someone out there feel less alone and maybe a step closer to happy, healthy feet again. Don't forget to like or drop a comment if you've been through something similar. I'd love to hear your story. Bye for now.